Meal prep for beginners, easy and healthy recipes. Here are some simple tips to help you start meal prepping with ease. Meal prepping can save you time, money, and keep you on track with a healthy diet. First, start small. Choose 1 or 2 meals you want to prep for the week, like lunch or dinner, and keep your recipes simple. This way, you won't feel overwhelmed. Next, focus on balanced meals. Make sure each meal includes a good source of protein, healthy fats, and plenty of vegetables. Some easy go-to options are grilled chicken, roasted veggies, and quinoa. Don't be afraid to mix and match ingredients. Invest in good containers. Make sure they're BPA-free and leak-proof to keep your meals fresh. Label each container with the date you made the meal so you know when it's time to eat it. Lastly, prep ingredients in batches. Instead of cooking full meals at once, cook ingredients like rice, veggies, or proteins in large batches. This way, you can assemble different meals quickly throughout the week. That's it. Meal prepping doesn't have to be complicated. Stick with these basics and you'll be set for success.